people that live down here are retired. These bulbs way up here. Oh, cool. There's actually a crab in this one here. Go back to the crab. So they walk right up into these ribbons and then they hang out in here. And there's lots of more food floating by the surface. So up here they have more food to filter off of. Inside of here you'll find lots of salmon, little fish, little fry, little silverfish. They're growing up in here. So it's really essential for the harbor seals that we're going to see in a few minutes to have this nearby, because this is where all the fish will be raised. So they know if they come here, they can get to their fish very quickly. They're about 30 days old now. Yeah. Calling his mom there. Moms just want to stay on the rocks. So you know the fish are out here hunting, getting all this food, and then the seals are allowed to come in here and get all the food from them. It's kind of a cool way they kind of work together. They've always been protected because it's technically part of the Navy base. So no one's allowed to land here because of that, because it's government land. But then it also allows it to be nice and protected for these harbor seals. 2.5 hours on the big ferry boats, and
Washington State, right there.
About 16 hours if we wanted to paddle there. In Victoria, whenever a log comes into the floatplane runway, the pilot boats or whatever, the patrol boats actually tow the logs out of the harbor and throw them on this beach. And then there's someone over here in the West Bay area that's taken it upon themselves to construct these things and paint on them. So every so often you'll see a guy in a painting smock down here. Now there's our lights. They have lights under here that turn on for us.